Hello friends, this is teacher JB. Today we are going to study English with the story Ruined by the Rain. Ruined by the Rain. First, let us study some vocabulary. First one, basket, basket, basket. Accent on the first syllable, basket, basket, basket. Next one, blanket, 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 blanket. Accent on the first syllable again, blanket. Next one, drive, drive, drive. Next one, fold, fold, fold. Next one, healthy. Accent on the first one, healthy, healthy. Next one, park, park. And next one, picnic. Accent on the first syllable, picnic, picnic, picnic. Next one, put, put. And next one, this one, rain, rain. And this one, ruin. Accent on the first syllable, ruin, ruin. And next one, sandwich, sandwich. And D doesn't make a sound here. Accent on the first syllable, sandwich, sandwich, sandwich. Next one, sound, sound. And the last one, accent on the first syllable, tasty, 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 tasty. Brenda wants to have a picnic. She gets a basket. She puts sandwiches in the basket. The sandwiches are healthy. They are also tasty. She drives to the park. She lays out a blanket. She hears a sound. It's raining. She folds the blanket back. She puts the food in the basket. Now, let us turn the present tense story into past tense story. Brenda wants to have a picnic. Want is regular verb, and then it becomes want, wanted, wanted. She gets a basket. Get, the past is got, got. She got a basket. She put sandwiches in the basket. Put, the past form is put. So S means present singular and put past, past singular. The sandwiches are healthy, plural, were healthy. They are so tasty, they were so tasty. She drives to the park, and the past of drive is drove. Drove, she drove to the park. She lays out a blanket. She lays, lay, laid. Laid is the past. She laid out a blanket. She hears a sound. Hear, heard. Heard is the past of hear. She heard a sound. It was raining. It was raining. She fold, and then it's regular. She folded the blanket back. She put. Okay, the past of put is put, the same form. She put the food in the basket. Okay, now we have 5 scrambled sentences. Let us unscramble them. Find the subject first. Yes, Brenda is the subject. Brenda. And then the verb is want. After want, if you want to have a verb, you need to have to infinitive and have. A picnic. Picnic. Brenda wants to have a picnic. Next one, she is the subject. she, and the verb is put. She puts what? She puts the sandwiches. She puts the sandwiches where? In the basket. She puts the sandwiches in the basket. Okay, next one. The subject is sandwiches. Sandwiches. W-I-C-H-E-S. But it has to be specific. So the sandwiches. Are is the verb. The are tasty. Or you can put healthy first. Healthy. And here, healthy. You can put tasty here. So the sandwiches are tasty and healthy, or the sandwiches are healthy and tasty. And the subject is he, she is here. She drives. She drives where? To the park. She drives to the park. The last one, she is the subject. She lays. She lays out a blanket. L-A-N-K-E-T. She lays out a blanket. Okay, let us practice reading using the 5 unscrambled sentences. First, Brenda wants to have a picnic. So we can put this together. Say, one wants to. Brenda wants to have a. Brenda wants to have a picnic. She puts sandwiches. She puts, and then here there are 2 S's, so you can't forget about this. She put sandwiches, sandwiches, and then in here, sandwiches in. She put sandwiches in the basket. She put sandwiches in the basket. Sandwiches in the basket. The sandwiches are healthy and tasty. So you don't have to pronounce the here. Healthy and tasty. Healthy and tasty. The sandwiches are here. Sandwiches are healthy and tasty. She drives to the park. Drives to. Drives, and then to here. She drives to. She drives to the park. She drives to the park. She lays out. Here, lays. And then out here, lays out. Lays out a. Lays out a. Lays out a. She lays out a blanket. She lays out a blanket. She lays out a blanket. From the beginning, just one more time. Brenda wants to have a picnic. She puts sandwiches in the basket. The sandwiches are healthy and tasty. She drives to the park. She lays out a blanket. Lays out a blanket. Okay, this is the conclusion of today's study. I will come back to you with another story as soon as possible. Until then, keep studying English and have a great day. Bye.